Hey, if you're running Linux and want to play Windows games, you've probably heard of Proton and Wine. But which one should you actually use? Today I'll break it down so you don't waste hours tweaking stuff. Wine is the original open source project. It's been around since 1993 and basically translates Windows API calls into Linux ones. It runs any Windows app, games, Photoshop, Microsoft Office, random EXEs. The latest version right now is Wine 11, which just dropped with massive speed boosts thanks to NTSync. Proton is Valve's gaming version of Wine. They took Wine, added DXVK for DirectX to Vulkan, VKD 3D for DirectX 12, better CPU syncing, and Steam integration. The result: plug and play for almost every Steam game. Current version is Proton 10, so Proton is basically Wine, but with gaming superpowers. Here's the quick truth in 2026. Ease of use. Proton wins hands down. Just enable Steam Play and you're done. While Wine usually needs bottles or loot trees for easy mode. Gaming performance, Proton is usually faster out of the box because of Valve's tweaks, though Wine 11 is catching up fast. Compatibility. Wine is broader and runs non-gaming apps really well, while Proton is laser focused on games and gets 85 to 90% of the Steam library working perfectly. Control. Wine gives you full manual tweaking, but Proton is more set it and forget it. Bottom line, Proton is just Wine with extra gaming steroids. So which one do you pick? Use Proton if you play Steam games, especially on the Steam Deck, and you want zero hassle and the best FPS. Use Wine or Bottles and Looters with the Wine Runner if you need to run regular Windows apps or old software, or if a specific game doesn't like Proton, which is pretty rare these days. Pro tip that most people actually follow: Steam games go with Proton or Proton GE, and everything else goes with Bottles or Heroic Launcher. Linux gaming has never been this good. Steam just hit over 5% market share thanks to these tools. If you want the absolute easiest way to run Windows stuff on Linux right now, start with Proton inside Steam. Drop in the comments. What are you trying to run, a game or an app? I'll tell you the best setup. Like, if this helped, subscribe for more Linux gaming tips, and I'll see you in the next one.